Hey, what's up? It's Greg from Harvey Woods. So we're at a beautiful solar installation in Rye, New Hampshire, and a lot of times when we do high-end homes, aesthetic value is really important. And so today we're going to be installing what's known as IronRidge contour skirts. I kind of wanted to show you some of the equipment and things, what the array looks like before we hit it and after we put on these beautiful skirts. So these contour sections are made out of manufactured aluminum. They're really nice with the matte black finish to match our panels and everything. These are going to go on the side, so if you're sitting on the deck, you have company over, things like that, you don't see under the array where you can see wiring and rails and racks and those different things. So these are going to go up. We have also other equipment over here, to make things look really nice. We're going to show you how this gets installed and what it looks like after. Let's get after it.
So Clint ran point on the project, worked with the customer, procured materials, set up the job site, made life so easy, throwing up a MIG clamp, missing a spot, can't miss spots, hashtag Harvey Woods, lag it all in.
All right, we're all done. And now that the IronRidge array skirts are on, what you can see is it's kind of just more aesthetically pleasing for everybody, right? You're not seeing under the array when people are at the porch having a good time, and it adds an excellent geometric feel to the whole project. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Stay shining.
Tonight's report, it feels good.